Hello student. Now we are going to learn chapter number 3, Indices and the cube root. In this chapter, our next topic is cube and cube root. But first we learn about the cube only and also the cube of rational number. Look at this words. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of the numbers. Means 2 into 2 into 2. A number 2 is written 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and multiplied. We will write it like this, 2 cube. But the what is value? 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, means 2 raised to cube. Therefore 2 raised to 3 means cube of 2 is 8. We read as 8 is the cube of 8 is the cube of 2. 8 is the cube of 2. Thus, take another example. 5 into 5 into 5. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called cube. Here, the value of the cube of the 5. How we get? 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5. We learn about the square in the previous standard, but now there is a cube in which we have to find a simple numbers and their cube. You have to write near about 1 to 30 numbers in your notebook. Write 1 to 30 numbers in notebook. And recite it like this. 1 cube of the 1 is a 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Cube of 2, 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, what is it? 27. Like this. And then after 30 numbers up you have to write, then recite it, and it is a useful you to in a various examples afterward. Now cube of rational number. Which are the rational number? Means minus 2, 2 upon 5, or a 0.03, etc. Means negative number. Like this number we are used for the finding the cube. First, take the example in a book how it is work. Minus 6 cube. Minus 6 cube means minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6 means you got 6 into 6 36, but there is a minus and minus, minus 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 into minus plus, there is a plus sign, but we are not right everywhere every time. Now this is remaining minus 6. Now we get 36 into 6 216, but sign a plus and minus minus. Remember always that is negative of any number. The negative of cube of any negative number is always negative. This is the example. Now take another example. Minus 3 upon 2 cube. Minus 3 upon 2, give it with the bracket, minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. Now here is also this method useful. It is a simple way. 4 into 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, minus minus plus, minus 3, this is the remaining term. Now we get 9 into 3 27, but sign is plus into and 4 into 2 8. This is the answer. You should write directly also. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, 2 into 2 into 2 also in this way, minus 27 upon 8. This method also useful for this. There is no any criteria, but you never write directly. You have to some type of the solving it. Now another example, third example, that is we take like this 0.5 0.5 into 0.5. How we'll solve it? One pattern is like this, 5 into 5 into 5 125, but there is a decimal point here. Remember, there is a 1 1 1 1 1 1, 3 places are required, means here is a 0.125. 5 into 5 into 5 125, but we require 1 2 place 3 place, 1 place 2 place 3 place. It is a required. You have to solve in another way also. 0.5 means 5 upon 10. Here we use this in the formula. It's a process. 5 upon 10 into 5 upon 10 into 5 upon 10. We get 10 into 10 into 10 into 1000. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Thus we get 1 2 3 1 2 3 means 125. This is the last answer in this way. This is also last answer. In this type of method, any one method is used in an exam. Now we increase in a number of the places of the decimal place. 0 into 02 into 0 0. You should use like this method also here useful. Means if 0 2 means 2 places, there is a 0.02 means 2 upon 1 to 100 actually. And here we get 0.004 into 0 2 means you have to multiply first, then we get. Simply some methods is not confusing like this. We get 8, 4 into 2 8, 2 places, and this is the 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. We get this number in this way, 6 places. 1 2, here is a decimal point, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is a 4 1 2. Here this is example, various type we use here. Means we get the after 25 into 25 625, 625 into 25 we get 15,625. 1 2 3 we get actually, if you 15,625 use 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. 1 2 3 means there is a 15.625 is the answer. Another example, now we take -8 into -8 into -8. 8 8s are 64 into -8. We get, it is a plus, -512. Now take another example. 1.3 into 1.3 into 1.3. This is also, this method is useful here. 13 upon 10 into 13 upon 10 into 13 upon 10. We get 13 into 13, 169 and 2197. And there is a 1,100. We get the answer 2.197. Now when you use 30, what it will get and what is the change in the answer? There is a simple 13 upon 100 because there is 1 2 3 2 places. 13 upon 100, 13 upon 100. We get, actually, if you recite it properly, you have to 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is how many point you have to taken? 7 9 1 2. This is the 4 5 6, and decimal point is here. This is the answer, and this is the answer of this question. Thus, we are learn here the cube. If the number is returned 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called as a cube of the number. And rational number also, we take the various type of the example, which indicate that like these examples are in a maybe in exam given, and you have to solve, practice various types of these examples various way. Means here I teach two types of the method, and you have to any one method to understand the cube. Solve the example from the practice set.